It's difficult to remember a time before tablets, but it's been just over 5 short years since the original Apple iPad hit the scene, and the current tablet market was born. Since then, we've seen scores of manufacturers trying to snag a slice of the tablet pie, and the game is finally getting interesting. There's no denying the tablet is here to stay. First of all, which tablet is right for you? Whether you're eyeing an iPad, one of those many Android tablets available, or a Windows model, here are a few key factors you need to consider when shopping for a tablet, along with the top-rated models we've tested. First is, what do you want to do with your tablet? Despite years of refinements, tablets still can't truly replace computers or smartphones. You can tackle productivity tasks on a tablet, but they are built-in ergonomic benefits to desktops and laptops, meaning it's designed to be comfortable. Okay, since we're talking about slates here, we're mostly talking about on-screen keyboards, and there are plenty of worthy add-on hardware keyboards, especially for the iPad, but few will provide the same comfort you'll experience with a laptop or a desktop. The main focus of the tablets we'll discuss here is surfing the net, reading online, and not typing or creating projects. We'll touch on lower cost Windows tablets here as well, but if you want a convertible tablet with a laptop upgrade processor for serious work, take a look at the top Windows 8 tablets, but be prepared to pay laptop prices, as many run around the $1,000 mark. Choosing your operating system is similar as it is with a computer. If you're getting a tablet, you need to pick a camp, and just like a computer, your decision will likely come down to your gut feeling. Right now, the top contenders are Apple with its iPads and Android with its many hardware choices from the likes of Acer, Amazon, Samsung, and others. And we're seeing affordable Windows 8 tablets built around Intel's Atom processor from various manufacturers like Asus with its excellent under $500 Transformer Book T100TA. Now, generally speaking, the greatest strength of Apple's iOS, the operating system on the iPad Air and the iPad mini tablet lines, is twofold. It's very clean and intuitive, and the wide selection of iPad apps that you can buy right on your tablet, which is more than 1 million iPad-specific titles at the same time of this writing, works uniformly well with very few exceptions. Google's Android mobile OS gives you a choice of hardware from several different manufacturers and offers maximum configurability, a top-notch notification system, fast and smooth web browsing, and seamless integration with Google's applications like Gmail, Google Maps, and Hangouts for video chat. Android also includes support for multiple user logins so that you can share your tablet with a friend or family member. This is a useful feature that's missing in Apple's tablets. Windows 8 comes the closest to offering a traditional computing experience with full support for your Windows software, and you can run the full version of Microsoft Office when you buy a Windows 8 tablet. Also, connectivity options and hardware add-ons for Windows models are typically more plentiful than with other tablet types. Now, what about apps? What's a tablet without quality apps? If you want every third-party app under the sun right now, nothing out there beats an iPad, with its 1 million programs and games designed specifically for Apple tablets. The App Store is well curated and monitored, offers a deep selection, and includes every popular app you can think of. If a wide range of compelling apps that look good and work well with your tablet is your main priority, Apple is your best bet. Android has made great strides on app selection, courting more developers and offering more high-quality tablet apps, but it's still not as many as Apple offers. There are also Android phone apps which look decent on a 7-inch tablet but less so on a 9 or 10-inch one. So you're likely to have more problems getting high-quality apps for a larger Android tablet. Windows 8, meanwhile, offers an impressive array of more than 100,000 touchscreen-friendly tablet apps, but don't expect to get all the titles your iOS and Android user friends will have on their tablets. But remember, you can also run all of your standard Windows-compatible programs. Now, another consideration is screen size and storage. This is a bit obvious. Both screen real estate and storage capacity is important to consider. But first things first, when you hear the term 10-inch or 7-inch tablet, this refers to the size of the screen measured diagonally, and not the size of the tablet itself. 7-inch tablets are considered small screen, while 8.9 to 10-inch tablets are considered large screen. Apple's iPads, Amazon's Fire, and Samsung's Note and Tab branded tablets all come in small and large screen iterations. And more than ever, phones are blurring the lines with tablets. Huge smartphones like the 5.5-inch iPhone 6 Plus and the even bigger 5.7-inch Samsung Galaxy Note 4 and the 6-inch Nokia Lumia 1320 are challenging the need to carry a separate tablet. Screen resolution is important too, especially for ebook reading and web surfing. A sharp, bright display is key. Right now, the sharpest you'll find is 2560 by 1600 pixels on the Amazon Fire HDX 8.9-inch tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10.5 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8.4 all have incredible screen resolutions too. The iPad Air 2 and the iPad Mini 3 with their 2048 by 1536 pixel Retina displays are no slouches either. If you're in the market for a 10-inch Android tablet, look for a display with at least 1280 by 800 resolution. For small tablets, the 7-inch Amazon Kindle Fire HD display 1280 by 800 is perfectly viewable even for ebook reading. But line it up side by side with the same size Amazon Kindle Fire HDX and you'll notice a difference. The weight of a tablet is definitely an advantage it has over a laptop. But with large screen tablets typically weighing around a pound, they're not cell phone light. And after you hold one in your hand for a subway ride of 20 minutes or more, your hand will get tired. Setting one flat in your lap rather than propped up on a stand can also be a little awkward. Few tablets will fit in your pocket, unless it's an extra large jacket. So if you want pocketability, you might want to consider one of the larger phones. Cloud or off-device storage is an option for many tablets. iCloud for iPads, Amazon Cloud Storage for Kindle, and OneDrive for Windows. But when it comes to onboard storage, more is always better. All those apps, when combined with typical music, video, and photo libraries, can take up a lot of space. Right now, storage tops out at about 128 gigabytes of flash-based memory, and that's only on the iPad Air and iPad Mini lines. Most of the tablets available are either 16, 32, or 64 gigabyte varieties. Larger capacity models can get expensive as featured laptops. The 128 gigabyte Wi-Fi only iPad costs $699 right now, and when you add 4G service, you're up to over $800. Many non-Apple tablets have micro SD memory card slots that also let you expand your storage. Speaking of Wi-Fi, some tablets come in a Wi-Fi only model or with the option of always-on cellular service from a wireless provider. If you want to use your tablet to get online anywhere, you should opt for a model that offers a cellular version, like the aforementioned iPads or the Wi-Fi plus 4G version of the Amazon Kindle Fire HDX. Of course, this adds to the device's price, and then you need to pay for your cellular service. Generally, though, with a tablet, you can purchase data on a month-to-month basis without signing a contract. Another way to get your tablet online is by using your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot for your tablet. Now, this won't work with every phone-tablet combo, so you should check with your carrier before you seal the deal. Finally, before you buy, if you can, head to your local electronics store and get your hands on time with the different tablets so that you can see which feels and looks the best to you. Much of this information was retrieved from the 10 Best Tablets of 2015 from PC Magazine's August 5th edition.